Still replying to every Instagram DM manually? You're losing valuable leads and your precious time. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to build a fully functional Instagram chatbot powered by AI using ManyChat in just a few minutes. Imagine you run a swimwear brand on Instagram. Every day you get dozens of messages asking the same questions. This chatbot will handle those repetitive questions automatically, capture interested leads, and even follow up, all without needing a developer or any complicated setup. Here's how to do it. First, open your ManyChat dashboard and start by creating a new flow. Choose Instagram comment as your trigger. Select the Instagram post you want and set a keyword, something like catalog or price. As for the automatic reply on the comment feed, we'll select no, since Instagram has been reportedly banning users who use this specific feature repeatedly without reason. So, let's play it safe and just evade the automatic response in the comment section in order to keep conversations more natural. Instead, we'll set up an automatic private DM response that reaches the user's inbox once they comment. We should tell them something like, "Hey, I saw you were interested in our catalog. Do you still want more info about it?" Next, we'll add two simple response buttons, "Yes, show me," and "I have a question." If they click "Yes, show me," the bot instantly sends your catalog and collects their details. Let me show you how to build this part. Drag and drop an arrow starting from the message's action point, then choose Instagram as an option. You'll see the familiar Instagram screen you already know how to use. Simple, write a friendly message, and paste the link to your catalog. If they choose "I have a question," ManyChat's built-in AI steps in to handle the conversation smoothly. To build this part, select AI step instead of Instagram, starting from the other message's action point. Here, you quite literally tell the AI what to do. In this case, type something like "Answer the user's question about my business." And in the Give AI Context section, you quite simply write your business's information so that the bot has context to answer. Click Generate, and there you go. A fully automated AI agent will answer user questions using your context and purpose. If you like, you can test your AI interactive chatbot and adjust if necessary. We won't be doing that during this class, since we'll test the completed bot at the end. In our next class, we'll learn not only how to engage our customers, but how to save them as leads in our database. Saving people as leads is useful for retargeting purposes, starting new conversations with people who've interacted with our posts in the past, and allows us to set new and updated offers in front of their eyes without them having to reach out to us first. This tactic is used by all businesses worldwide and increases potential revenue from a client, something called lifetime value, and fidelizes them to our brand. See you there.